Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assemblies. My name's Matt, and I'm so pleased that you've joined us here today. We're here every Friday from 1 o'clock for some fun and inspiring singing. You can join us whether you're at home, on your own, with the whole of your family, or with your classmates. I've got some great songs to share with you today, so let's get started with a warm-up. Try and copy everything that I'm doing. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 4. Very good. Can you leave your finger on your nose here for me? And I'm going to take this hand, give me a wave, and take it across your body and grab your ear. We're then going to take the hand that's grabbing our ear and we're going to bring it to our nose, like magic. And we're going to take the other hand across to our ear and we're going to repeat that. So then, to our nose, to our ear, 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 and switch, like that. So here we go. First finger on our nose, across. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you didn't poke your eye out in that and you managed to do that. It's a really good one to practice. Repeat after me. Very good. And again, you might just need to give your nose a little bit of a scratch on there. I'm now going to teach you a song that goes like this. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, so many things that happen in that music. This is a welcome song, of course. We're singing hello. And if you're with anybody else in the room right now, can you just turn to them and give them a big hello for me? The heartiest hello that you can do. Go! Good, excellent. So yes, this is a welcome song that we're going to learn, and it's got 3 sections to it. The first one is our main tune. It sounds like this. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Just listen to that one more time. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Try that. 3, and hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Try that. Can you sing it with me? One more. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Go. Sing it all day long. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. So that's the first part of this song. I'm going to sing it again for you. I want you to use your musical listening ears and then we'll try it together. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Your turn. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. One more time. 3 and hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Very good. The next section starts on the note that we've just finished on. It's the same pitch that we start on. So we've just done sing it all day long. And we go hello, 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 hello. Listen to that again. Hello, 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 hello. Have a think. Which way is this melody moving? Does the pitch go down or does it go up? Listen one more time, try and work it out. Hello, 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 hello. That's a tough question, isn't it? Because sometimes it drops down, but generally it's moving upwards. It's finishing on a higher note than we started it on. Try this bit. Hello, hello. Have a go. Hello, hello. Next bit. Hello, hello is how it finishes off. Hello, hello. We go to them. Let's try it together. Hello, to off we go. Hello, 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 hello. We then take the same pattern, but we start on the note we've just finished on. In music, we call this a sequence. Hello, 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 hello. Let's try that together. Hello. 1, 2, go. Hello, 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 hello. And that is our song. Let's try and put our second hello and our third hello together. I want you to listen to it all one more time. Sometimes when you're learning something by rote, it's a really good thing to just shut your eyes so that your ears can work really, really well. My turn first. Hello, 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 hello. Here we go. Your turn with me. Hello, hello, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 hello. Which takes us back to hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Hello. And we go back to that. Let's try it. We're going to sing it twice through from the very beginning. Hello every 1, 2, off we go. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Hello, 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 hello. listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Hello, 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 hello. And that is the end of it. We sang it twice through, which is what you will do in just a second. Now, this song is a welcome song, and I really love to learn the word hello in lots of different languages. And the first one that springs to mind for me is in French. Do you know the French word for hello or good day? You got it? Bonjour. So now we're going to change the word hello for bonjour. Bonjour. We can sing from that. Bonjour, everybody. Should we try it? The whole thing. Bonjour. 1, 2, off we go. Bonjour, everybody. Listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Very well done, everyone. Can you think of any more words for hello in different languages? I'm thinking maybe Spanish. We've got hola. Hola, everybody. Should we sing it to the Spanish word? Hola, give me a wave. And now we're going to add in some action. So every time we sing hola, bonjour, hello, we're going to wave. We're going to listen to our song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Okay, here we go. Hola, 1, 2, off we go. Hola, everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Hola, 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 hola. Very, very good. Let's do one more for today. Can you think of another one? Oh, I'm going to do Chinese or Cantonese, and the words are ni hao. Can you say that for me? Ni hao. And we can add this into our song. We go, ni hao everybody, with our actions. So ni hao everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Here we go. 1, 2, off we go. Ni hao everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Ni hao, 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 ni hao. Very good, everyone. You've learnt this song. Okay, now we've learnt this welcome song, we're going to expand on it. This song works as a 3-part round or canon, and we're going to do that in just a second. Before we do that, we need to split into 3 different groups. And the 3 words that we've chosen for today are hello, English, or hallo in German, bonjour in French, and ni hao in Chinese, Cantonese. So we're going to stick to those 3 words, and those are going to be the names of our 3 groups. We're going to have the hello group, the bonjour group, and the ni hao group. So just quickly decide which group you want to be a part of. The hello group will go first as group 1. So they will start off, hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. When group 1 gets to there, the bonjour group are ready to come in. Bonjour everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. And you've got it. Once the bonjour group gets to there, the ni hao group are ready to go. Ni hao everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Now, of course, you carry on singing the whole song, whichever group you're in. Each of the groups will sing it twice through. And then at the end, be ready because we will all sing the main bit of the song, the da 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 da, one last time together in unison. So that's when we sing all together. So in just a second, you will see 3 of me appear on your screen, and I want you to have decided which group you're in and follow that leader. Good luck, everyone.
Group 1, off we go. Hello everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Hello. Bonjour everybody, hello, listen to my song. Hello. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Bonjour. Ni hao everybody, hello, listen to my song. Hello. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Bonjour. Hello everybody, bonjour, listen to my song. Bonjour. Can you sing it with me? Bonjour. Sing it all day long. Bonjour everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Bonjour. How everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Bonjour everybody, listen to my song. Can you sing it with me? Sing it all day long.
Students, maybe you know some words for hello in multiple languages. Maybe you already speak multiple languages yourself. Try finding different words for hello, use it in this song, but be aware that sometimes you may have to change the rhythm of the song. So we've been singing, hello everybody. If we take the word for hello in Japanese, which is konnichiwa, we might have to sing, konnichiwa everybody, listen to my song. And that's okay, you can do that. Any language that you like, put it into this song and then sing it. Well done everyone, some really lovely singing today. Thank you so much for joining us, and you can join us at the Voices Foundation at the same time next Friday for some more singing. Teachers, don't forget to check out the teaching resource that is available in the description below that accompanies this song that I've taught you today. And students, remember, find the word hello in whatever language you like and drop it into this song. Really well done everyone, and happy singing.